Hi guys, looking at this ancient HP Compaq NC6220. At the moment it's saying time and date not set, so at the very least that's telling me the little button cell inside is probably dead. I think I've shown you this before. I bought it for my daughter years ago, and then she's having a clear out and she's given it back to me. As I remember it, it does actually work, although the battery is no good at all, so you've got to run it off the mains all the time. And so from the looks of it, I need to get in there and replace it's probably one of those CR2032 button cells to retain the date and time. What happens if we press that button? Right, turned it off. Turn it back on again. Yeah, appears to be. Oh no, it's gone past that point now. Windows XP. Well, my plan is to copy everything off of it onto that little external drive there. It's not very much on there, it's only a small hard drive in there. Anyway, I've got more space available on there than there is in the hard drive on this PC anyway, on this laptop. So I should be able to copy everything across. Then I can clean everything on here, so I can use it for myself. That's the plan anyway. I probably should have used, you can actually get disk copying programs that duplicate straight across. Never mind, we'll just leave it. Oh, depends how long it will take. It's saying about an hour at the moment. Oh, it's going up. We'll see. Well guys, not getting on very well trying to install software for this USB or Wi-Fi microscope. I'm trying to use it USB, but Windows 95 isn't very keen on it. I'll keep trying for a bit longer, but so far it's been total fail. Well, I have to say, I had given up, and yet we've actually got there. It's actually working. I'm sorry about the screen flicker. That's because we're filming an old LCD screen, I think. Or it could be lighting in here. But yeah, we seem to be there now. Well, I've spent best part of 5 hours on that. Well, I was clearing all the old stuff off the laptop first, so we didn't have all my daughter's files and my grandson, granddaughter and all the rest of them. So that took a bit of time. So that appears to be working. The next thing will be to see whether we can actually record video and play it back. Well, this is just recording random text using the microscope. The actual content really isn't important, it's just seeing whether it's going to save the file so that I can then edit it. We don't get any audio with the microscope, so I'm doing a voiceover just to pass the time while we look at this text. And the answer is yes, it does record it, and then I can transfer that file into my main PC and edit it to create this video. So that's a good start. Next thing will be to take it upstairs and see if I can record video looking at my life in a jar. That's been a real pain because that's upstairs in the front bedroom window, and I used to be able to record via Wi-Fi onto my phone from the Wi-Fi microscope, but now that I've upgraded the phone to my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, the app for the microscope doesn't work on it, so I've been stuck, which is why I've been trying to get this old laptop working. Anyway, looks like it works, so as I say, next thing will be to try and do some stuff with the life in a jar. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.